Let's talk about the coaches that are defined in your system. Now, when we look on the front side, we can see that we have, for our demo site, a bunch of different coaches. We've got baseball coaches, and there's actually two coaches that are showing up there. We have fitness and strength training. A single coach is showing up there. Our golf coach, our music coach, our public speaking coach. And let's go to thought we had another dual coach in here. I guess we don't. Okay, so you can see though that each of these coaches have uh, someone can pick from any of these coaches, and the coach that they're picking from is defined on the back end. Now, we talked about on the coach's dashboard that there is a coaches tab, and these are the same coaches that are in there. Now, we can look at their voice and their style. So, like baseball, we're saying that this coach speaks with calm authority and a teacher's mindset. He's reflective and measured, often pauses to frame a topic before diving in. This really defines who the coach is. This is his ElevenLabs voice ID. So when we clone the voice in ElevenLabs, we put in the voice ID, and that's how that works to define that particular coach's voice. If there are two coaches, which there are here, then the second coach has his own voice ID and his own coaching style. And we can change those and save those from the coach's dashboard. The same with their metrics. We can update those, and the same with their framework and key performance indicators. And we can do this by giving it a framework name, what each of these are, and we can save it, what their key performance indicators are, and so forth. So we can edit those from the coach's dashboard. But to create a new coach, we really need to go to the administrative dashboard. And that is going to be done not in the coaches area, but down where we say experts. And we can, from here is where we create a new expert, an expert in this case being a coach. Uh, so we'll go through that in another video as how to actually set this up. Back in the coaches tab, though, you can see that we have the same type of settings in the administrative dashboard as we do in the coach's dashboard. We can pick the coaching focus that we've got that we want to show. Let's go to fashion and makeup. We can see we've got two different coaches that are each providing separate feedback. We have the first one named Mary, her ElevenLabs voice ID, her coaching style, and her image. So this is where we change the image that is displayed on the front. The second coach is Kaylee, her voice ID, her coaching style, her image. The coaches, if a coach is working on movement, then we probably want to enable the pose overlay and angle measurements. It doesn't make any sense for doing that for someone like fashion and makeup. So we leave those turned off. But that's how we set up or we change the information that a coach actually has. Now, I mentioned the experts. The experts are the coaches, but when we set those up, that is where we're going to not just create the coach, but we're actually going to create their prompt as to what makes that coach tick in terms of all of their expert knowledge. These system instructions or the core prompts tend to get lengthy, often multiple pages of system instructions broken down by methodology sections and then included their knowledge library. So depending upon the coach that we have selected, in this case, the baseball coach, we can see up here, we've got a number of PDF and document files that have been uploaded into the system. If we choose golf as the coach and look at their knowledge library, we can see that there are, again, a number of PDFs that we have put in here. In addition to the PDFs, you can put in a website and crawl a website to get all of their knowledge off of a website. You can put in a YouTube video. You can put in files that can be PDF files, Word files, text files, Markdown files, images, audio, and video. So all of these can basically be included in that particular expert's knowledge library. The combination of the expert's knowledge library with their coaching style is really, and their system instructions or core prompt, all of those things are combined to create the feedback that is displayed to the user.